going to start off this part two by starting out at the beginning. This is the correspondence that he wrote to a grievance that I did not file. I'm writing in response to Ms. Tawari Williams' document entitled Personal Grievances of 401k for a Fitzpatrick hearing, which was faxed to Honorable Donald Johnson office on October the 17th, 2016. As stated on page 2 of that document, it was submitted because I am unwilling to pursue legal action against Mr. Herring's retirement account for the sole purpose for applying the entire fine towards Mrs. Williams' case. Mr. Herring has 6 cases. This will be addressed below. Other matters she alleges that made office mishandled her case and that she was disrespected and lied to were addressed in July 25th, 2006, response to her private grievances we received on July the 6th, 2016. I became involved with Mrs. Williams' case on June the 29th, 2016, and we have communicated extensively since that time. Not only did I give her my direct number, I've responded numerous times to her by email, and I've tried to monitor the incoming payments on her cases. The first time that she alerted me to the possible 401k was on about August the 1st, which is a lie. On that day, she informed me that she wanted her case transferred to Georgia, where both she and Mr. Herring reside. On August the 4th, she clarified that she wanted me to attempt to seize Mr. Herring's retirement account. In that fact, one located before transferring her case. I briefly explained the process to her. First, we would need to obtain information via a subpoena, and if there is an account that can be seized, I would need to file a motion, subpoena the hearing, and request the court to enter a qualified domestic relationship order, which I usually is complicated order to draft, which is a lie. He told me that they would be easy to file. He said, I advised her that the most counties would not attempt to do this, which is another lie. He says also that I wanted to go and file something with the Attorney General, and he stopped me because he thought that I wanted them to file legal charges against him. No, I wanted them to file criminal charges against him because, as he said, Mr. Herring has 6 other cases. My son is the oldest, the second oldest by 1 month of Mr. Herring's 15 kids. He owed $122,000 in them other 6 cases. He did not know, Mr. Dan told me that he was good at it and that give him a chance before going to the Attorney General. And I told him that don't send it over because we was talking about what were my options. So that was one of the options. So then he wanted to send it over to Atlanta, and I said, no, first get the 401k, which was 6 months ago, not in the end of August, like he tried to say. I came up here on August the 15th, ready to go to the court about the hearing that he said that the judge would decide how the payment would be split up. And that if I had a problem to write a letter to the judge, but first he wouldn't give me the judge's name. So then he told me that I could go to the grievance council because I had already submitted 3 grievances, which I did not get a reply to, nor did I get a copy of the audit that he said that he sent to me on the 16th. So when I walked all the way up to the grievance council, I was not even given a chance to speak on my case. They told me that they did not want to hear what the parents had to say about the situation. So therefore, Mr. Forchek told me the next step would be to contact Judge Johnston over the case, which I did. When I did that, he kept telling me that he was not sending it, he was sending it to the wrong place. And so after that, he told me that he was going to put it in for the hearing. A month later, now he's telling me he didn't put in for the hearing, knowing that I'm here in town specifically for the hearing. So what did the judge do when I sent him the fax? The judge called him up, and the judge told him that they were talking about it, and they emailed it to Atlanta, knowing that I'm here in Grand Rapids. After that fact, I called the mayor. I emailed the mayor. The mayor told me that that was not over her jurisdiction. So, who do I have to talk to about this situation? We go out and vote, and we can't even speak to the judge. We can't speak to the mayor. We can't speak to any of these elected officials. And the only one they talk to is the ones that is out here conducting their business the way they want it done. Cut it for a second, please.